Y'all here early. You here for what? How to DIY and save a dime? It's early. I wasn't ready. Y'all gotta give me a moment. Oh, y'all still here? I'm ready. Let's go get started. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like out by the front door, and it looks like a pile of gifts in front of the door, and I like it. So I'm going to show you how to make this, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm glad you stayed. As you can see, you see how beautiful this is going to turn out, and this is going to be everything you are going to need to do the project. 3 boxes. Don't matter where you get them from. You can even go buy some. But I also have an empty planner. I have some weights. I have some packing tape. You want a stronger tape, not the kind of tape that you wrap your gifts with. Your gift wrapping of choice, the wrapping paper, a bow, and I also have a little tag, just so if anyone comes up to the porch, sees these gifts, they look like gifts, they know that it is empty. So the little tag here says, "To you, Happy Holidays, only for decorations. The boxes are empty from me." So yeah, you need a hot glue gun. You need your bow of choice to put on top of the boxes. Make sure you get boxes that are different sizes. This is going to be quick and easy. I'm getting ready to wrap these boxes, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to stack them together, and then we're going to show you how to put a display together. So in order for them to wrap nice and flat, I took packing tape and I taped each of the boxes down flat. Now that all of the boxes have been wrapped, now I'm going to hot glue them together and then put the weights in and show you how to put it together. So this is the way they're stacked, and all I did was take a nice size amount of hot glue and put it between each box and stuck them down together, and you want them to kind of be turned at different angles. Now I'm about to glue the bow. All you're going to do is take some glue and put it right here, a nice dollop of it. Then we're going to press this glue to the top side of the box. So that's what it looks like, and now we're going to place it on top of this here. The reason I'm putting it on top of something, because we do get snow, and I don't want the snow to make this get really wet and start to come apart over the holiday season. So I'm placing it on top of this actual bucket here, and I'm going to put the weights in the bucket so the air can't blow it, and I'm going to show you how I tape it down. Alright guys, so here it is, and you've already seen it in the beginning of the video how it looks outside. So what I did was I took the tape, the packing tape, and I taped it to the bottom of the gift and then wrapped it around the bottom of this, and I did that all the way around. Then I took other pieces of tape, let me get close, and I made sure I taped each gift down even though I hot glued it. So yeah, you won't be able to see this from the street or walking past or anything, but this is just a way to keep it stuck to this, which has the weight in it, and it might, you know, do a little bit of this, but it's not going to go anywhere because those weights are pretty heavy, and the way it's flat, I doubt if it'll move this, but we shall see. So that is what it looks like, and that's the little note, and you see what it looks like outside. So I hope this was a enjoyable decoration that you can use for the holidays, and you can also use it for other things like birthdays and stuff, put birthday wrapping and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm excited, and I love the way it looks on my porch. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas / Usmas, and if you like this tutorial / decoration that I shared with you, please leave a comment below. And if you're new to my family, join the family by subscribing, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if there's nothing else, I will see you guys later, Gators.